Amazon PPC broken? Here's why your ads aren't running and how to fix it. Also, at the end of the video, I'll give you a little ACOS versus ROAS cheat sheet. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So reason number one is your bid is too low. So you want to start above Amazon's suggested bid. So look at your budget as well. So we're looking at our budget, make sure your budget's above $5 a day. And then look at your bid too. So what you're going to do is find your campaign in the campaign manager. You're going to click on it. And then you're going to find your keyword bid and then increase your keyword bid. So let's look. You can go to total targets. And then we should see our keyword bid right here, and it says bid. Right now we're at 55 cents. Amazon's suggested bid is 92 cents. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go a little bit above Amazon's suggested bid. So we wanna get things running. You can always decrease it. When you do decrease it very slowly, like 5 cents at a time, if you're new to this. So if we wanted to change our bid, I would change it to $1 after this. So 1.00. I'm not gonna actually do it because these ads are doing good, but you're gonna do $1 and then click save. And then that's going to make sure that your bid. After that, wait 48 hours and see if that helps fix the issue. If it's still not working, you can go to ad group settings and then just triple check your default bid as well. So check your default bid, make sure your default bid is high. Let's go back a little bit. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna go back one more time. And then you're also going to go to campaign settings, and then you're going to review your campaign settings. So make sure, again, your budget's high. See if there's other bidding strategies you can do, like dynamic bids up and down. We'll raise your bids by a maximum of 100% in real time. See if that helps. Do you want to do maximum reach or minimize spend? And then you can also do top of search. So you can actually increase this as well. So if you wanted to, if you're okay with increasing your bid, if it's not spending at all, you can change top of search to 100%. So it'll potentially double your spends. You change this to 100%, change this to 100% and 100%, just to make sure it's running. And then once it starts running, you can turn these back to 0 or change them to 50% and slowly decrease them, right? You just want to make sure your Amazon ads are actually running at first. Number two is you're not running automatic campaigns on Amazon. So if you're new, if you're not spending money, make sure the type, see it says manual campaign, manual targeting, that is no bueno. If you're brand new, you want to start with an automatic targeting campaign. Once you do that and it starts spending money, then you can start working on manual targeting campaigns, right? Because manual targeting is a little bit more difficult, right? So make sure you start with automatic targeting campaigns, because if you do a manual targeting campaign, sometimes it does take a lot longer to get results, right? Just because, let's say you're trying to target a specific keyword like sleep mask for women who can't sleep. That's a big keyword, right? So you want to do automatic, and that way Amazon's going to help you find good keywords and it's going to run and spend money. So if you're not doing automatic campaigns, start with automatic, and then over time you can use a manual targeting campaign. Reason number three is your ads are suspended. So sometimes in the top right corner on this bell, you can click it and it'll say, oh, your ads are suspended. But if you want to double check to see if your ads are suspended, right, what you're going to do is you're going to go to one of your campaigns that are running. Let's go. This one says it's running. Let's go this one. So you're going to click on your campaign, and then you're going to click on you're going to click on products right here. And then you're going to see if it's running. Now, right now its status says delivering. If it doesn't say delivering, that means that the ad is either turned off or it's suspended. If it's suspended, what you need to do is contact the advertising team to get it reinstated. Now, this is the advertising support team. To contact the advertising support team, you're going to do this little question mark, and then you're going to click contact us. And then there you go. Now you can contact them right here. So you can contact the actual Amazon ads support team. This is different than the seller central support team. So to contact the Amazon ad support team, you need to do it on the advertising.amazon.com portal. And then what you're going to do is tell them that it's suspended or it's not running ads. And you're going to ask them to make sure that it is unsuspended and that you can run ads. Maybe there's a special keyword in your listing. So for example, if you're selling a item like a female enhancement, let's do female enhancement. Right? They might say, oh, you're not allowed to put the word enhancement in the title. So you remove the word enhancement and then they reinstate your ads. Sometimes there's certain keywords or certain images they don't like, and you just need to change them a little bit, and then bada bing, bada boom, you are ready to go and you are running Amazon ads again. It does take time. Just make sure you contact the right team, and that's going to be the advertising support team. And then reason number 4 is there's a glitch in Amazon system. Sometimes there's a glitch and like it won't spend even though it doesn't say suspended. That's also going to be a time when you contact support and ask them to refresh your actual campaign. Be like, hey, it should be running. It's not running. It's an automatic campaign. Why isn't it running? I already increased my bids. I increased my budget. Can you triple check? It looks like there's a glitch in the system. And you'll be surprised, there are a lot of glitches in the Amazon advertising system. It just is what it is. But for staying towards the end of the video, here's an ACOS versus ROAS cheat sheet. So if you are running Amazon ads, you want to make sure that your ads are doing well. And so you can either track it by ACOS or ROAS. ACOS is advertising cost of sale. So how much are you spending to generate a sale? And the lower the better, right? You want to spend as little money as possible to generate a sale, right? If I spend $1 and I make a $100 sale, that's a 1% ACOS. So we want it to be as small as possible. So we have a little sheet right here. Anything above 100% is very bad. What your goal should be having ACOS below 30%. So that's going to be in the amazing ACOS area. If you can get your ACOS between 0% and 30%, you're pretty much getting towards the expert level of managing Amazon ads. Now the hard part is maintaining it. So you got to make sure that you're checking it on a regular basis. And if not, you can always hire somebody to help you. But here's ROAS. And this is just a generic model. Each category is different, but this is a good place to start. So it's like a nice little generic model. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on why your PPC isn't spending and what you're doing to fix it. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Right in the description, you can contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full Amazon account management service. Not only will we manage your ads, but we'll also manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon to fix an issue, reinstating your ads, or even managing your ads. We'll do it all and help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP, and I'm signing out.